Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning interlock for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system for specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Sea breeze, showers, and storms are already developing and will continue to push eastward through the afternoon. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 51 nautical miles east of Villano Beach to 6 nautical miles east of Marineland, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Navy Dreddock and Big George's Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is NOAA Weather Radio.